Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome back to our English practice podcast.
Yes, here we practice English with very simple sentences, easy vocabulary, and fun natural conversation.
No difficult grammar, no heavy words.
Just friendly English practice you can understand easily. And today's topic is something we all struggle with your sleep routine.
Your sleep routine. Let's begin.
So, Alex, how is your sleep routine?
My sleep routine is confused.
Confused?
Yes, sometimes I sleep early. Sometimes I sleep at 2 a.m. Sometimes 3 a.m. And sometimes not at all.
Alex, no! My sleep routine is also not perfect. I want to sleep at 10 pm, but my brain says, let's think about random things.
Yes, right before sleep, my brain becomes a philosopher. Biggest sleep problem equals phone.
Oh, yes. I say, last reel, and boom, 40 minutes are gone.
Same. Phone before sleep is like, let's scroll till eyes burn.
That's why we never sleep on time. Do you overthink at night?
Mia, night is made for overthinking.
Yes. I start thinking about the past, future, dreams, goals, food, everything.
Night brain equals 10 times active. Morning brain equals zero point 0.5 times active.
How do you feel in the morning?
Like a zombie. I wake up with one eye open and the other eye still sleeping.
Same. When the alarm rings, my soul leaves my body.
Alarm is our worst enemy.
I want to sleep early every day, like 10 or 11 pm.
I want to wake up early, but I also want to sleep late. These two things cannot be friends.
Yes, we want everything, but our routine wants nothing.
One day, I slept for 10 minutes and woke up after 2 hours.
Power nap, super power nap.
And sometimes I sleep for 8 hours and still feel tired.
Same. Sleep doesn't work anymore.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I try to sleep early.
Sometimes I sleep very late.
I use my phone at night.
I want a healthy sleep routine.
I feel sleepy in the morning.
I want to improve my sleep.
Great job.
Good sleep helps you stay fresh and happy.
Yes, sleep gives energy, focus, and peace.
Without sleep, everything feels difficult.
And everyone looks annoying.
Yes, true.
Alex, do you dream a lot?
Yes. Sometimes I dream about food, sometimes about flying, and sometimes I dream that I'm late for school.
Oh, yes. School late dreams are the worst.
And then I wake up stressed for no reason.
Do you have any strange sleep habits?
Yes, sometimes I sleep with my phone in my hand.
Alex, no. That's dangerous.
I know. One time I woke up with my phone under my pillow. I don't even know how it got there.
Phone loves you too much.
Maybe, or maybe it's trying to escape.
Do you feel sleepy during the day?
Yes, especially after lunch. My eyes close automatically.
Same. After lunch, my body becomes sleep mode.
Every office and school should allow a 20-minute nap.
Agreed. Nap should be a human right. Have you ever tried making a perfect sleep routine?
Yes. Day 1. Sleep at 10 p.m. Success. Day 2. Sleep at 10 p.m. Success. Day 3. Sleep at 3 a.m. Disaster.
Routine breaks so fast.
Yes, my routine is like Wi Fi. Sometimes strong, sometimes weak.
Why do we get so much energy at night?
I don't know. Night Alex is powerful. Night Alex wants to clean the room, start a new life, and watch motivational videos.
Yes, Night Mia wants to read books, make plans, and start a new diet. But Morning Mia does nothing.
Night brain and morning brain are not friends. Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
My sleep routine is not perfect.
Sometimes I sleep late.
I use my phone at night.
I want to sleep early.
I feel sleepy in the morning.
I will try to improve my sleep.
Great job.
Tips for a better sleep routine.
Here are some simple tips. Reduce phone usage at night. Drink water. Avoid heavy food. Keep lights dim. Relax your mind.
And don't think about your whole life at 1 a.m.
Yes, night is for sleep, not for overthinking.
Sleep is important. Your body needs it. Your mind needs it.
Yes, a good sleep routine makes your day better, brighter, and happier.
Try sleeping early today, even 15 minutes early.
Small steps make big changes. Alex, do you remember your dreams?
Sometimes I dream I'm flying. Sometimes I dream I'm running. And sometimes I dream I'm late for everything.
Same. I dream about school exams, even though I'm not in school anymore.
Those dreams are trauma.
Do you make weird sounds while sleeping?
Maybe. My family says I talk in my sleep.
What? What do you say?
Random things like, where is my charger?
You talk about your phone even in your sleep. You know, Alex, the best feeling in the world is sleeping after a long day.
Yes, you lie down, cover yourself, and feel like, finally, peace.
That feeling is better than pizza.
Oh, that's a big statement.
Sleep is not a luxury, it's a need.
Give your body and mind the rest they deserve,
You will feel happier, calmer, and stronger.
and your morning will be brighter.
Okay, Alex, this was the real last part.
Yes, now we can finally sleep. Oh.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Sleep well tonight, and tomorrow, and every day.
Bye.
Bye.